going to be reviewing this Dream Party app and also going to share my honest experience, what I found on this platform because I just downloaded this app. I decided to try it out, okay? So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about Dream Life Party. It is a new app. It is a new app that claims that each time you perform tasks on their party, you are going to be get rewarded. Okay, so I'm trying this app out. That is the reason why I bring it here. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to sign up and how you can actually do your task successfully here. Okay, I just downloaded this app. I decided to try it out. Anything I try out, that is what I bring on my platform. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing my personal experience about this particular app, though I'm actually doing it right now. Okay, that is the reason why I bring it here. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purpose only. I am not sponsored by Dream Party. Okay, this video is based on my personal experience. Always make sure you do your own research before downloading any online app. Okay, do your own research well before proceeding on this app. Okay, so right now you are going to notice that once you log in on this platform, you're going to notice that they are going to reward you 5,000. That 5,000 they're going to reward you is just and 5,000 where you can use to play game on the app. Right now, if you look at my profile, I'm gonna go ahead and edit my profile by putting in my nickname, my date of birth, and my country. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put my nickname. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put my date of birth, then I'll put my gender. Make sure before you submit anything here, cross check it if it is correct. Okay, if you are from Nigeria or you are from Philippines or any country you are from, make sure you choose that particular country. Do not try to use VPN or download with VPN to log in. No, this app is available worldwide. Okay, so just make sure you cross check everything. If it is correct, then submit it because you cannot be able to modify that particular profile again. Okay, so now all you need to do is for you to click on our face authentication. Okay, so you need to go ahead and do your face authentication. I'm going to be closing some verification here. Okay, so because when I'm actually recording this particular one, like my environment was dark, I don't even have light of doing anything. I'm just trying to know if I can actually make this video. Okay, so because I've been recording this video up to, let me say, 2 weeks now, but I don't even have time of uploading video and all of that, so I have to record it and keep on investigating this particular app. Okay, so now I have seen changes on when I downloaded this app. It doesn't have tax. Okay, but recently, I think a week ago, I started to go to the app again and notice that they have added tax. That is the reason why I bring it here to share. And me, I'm actually doing it right now. That is the reason why I bring it here. Okay, so you notice that after I did everything, they're going to tell me that my face have been authenticated successfully. They're gonna log you out. Do you see the reason why I always tell you, say, make sure you use your Google account to log in on the platform anytime you want to use app. Okay, so they're gonna log you out and you're going to use the same email that you used before to log back. Okay, so now once you have done with your face verification and you come back to the app, you are going to notice that the reward is going to be like this. They're going to ask you to join the party to 1 hour, you will receive 500. But this is not the tax they're going to be giving you. Just make sure you pay attention so that I will explain to you how you can actually perform your task successfully. Okay, now you can see that join party for 1 hour, 500. Okay, so this is their coin and this is their diamond. Okay, now this is the coin, game coin, and diamond. Okay, now I'm going to see that now I'm going to go ahead and um know if I can either you become agency or you become host. Okay, now like now if you want to become host, you need to read all these things, okay, before applying for host. Or if you want to join as an agent, you need to read all this agent application before you go ahead and apply for agent. Before you will say that maybe the app is cheat you and all of it, is good for you to read everything correct so that you too can understand what the app is talking about before proceeding to become agency or host. Okay, now you're going to see that agent name. I'm going to fill my agent name here. For those of you might be saying, I don't know how to fill agent name. Oh, So I decided to do it here so that you guys can see it for those of you that want to become agency. Now I'm going to go ahead and choose Nigeria, where I'm from. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put my phone number. I'm going to be covering my phone number here for my security purpose. Okay, then let me put my phone number. That's the reason why I tell you, before you submit your application on your profile, make sure you cross check your country. Do not go ahead and choose United States and they're from Nigeria, or you're from any Kenya or Ghana. Do not go and submit United States, because time will come that when you will fill your information. Okay, you need to go ahead and put in your Google account. Then they're going to send you a verification code. Okay, you need to go to your email and copy the verification code and put it here. Okay, I have to go to my listing. Now you're going to notice your application is in review. Please wait. Okay, so I keep on waiting. I keep on waiting. Like it didn't even reach up to, let me see, it didn't even reach up to 2 hours. I log in on the app again and notice that I am already an agency on the app. Okay, and this is how you're going to be seeing the interface. Okay, you can see if you are any country you selected, your country is going to show. Now you need to go to your daily tax. Okay, now if you go to your daily tax, you're going to notice that the the tax has changed. Okay, it is not 500 that it is before. It is now 25,000 diamond. Then you're going to stay on mic for 1 hour. Then you're going to receive 25,000 diamond. And once you stay on mic for 2 hours, you're going to receive 25,000 diamond for 2 hours. Okay, so this is how you can actually perform your tax. You need to join an agency or become an host before you can go ahead to receive any tax here. Okay, and here also you can actually invite your friends and in, and this is how you can actually create your room. Okay, all you need to do is for you to click on the, I'm going to make sure I put arrow here, then you put your cover photo and put your name. Okay, so I wanted to not put my profile, and I noticed that without me selecting the profile, I cannot be able to proceed to create this room. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my profile. Then I will, it's going to take me out. Then you need to go back again and click on the room again, and you will appear. Okay, once you appear, you need to take a mic. Okay, like for now I'm recording this particular video, I don't used to close my mic. Okay, this app is actually new, and I don't want, like, for me closing mic and later I stay there for 2 hours and my tax doesn't count. It is a new app. Okay, if you have tried this app before, you can actually comment on the comment section below. Let me know.